What if I told you we're living through the biggest financial reset since Bretton Woods, and most people don't even know it's happening? It's not about Bitcoin this time, it's about something quieter, more stable, more powerful. Stablecoins are no longer just crypto tools, they're becoming the foundation of a new monetary system. And now the US government wants to regulate them. The Genius Act is moving forward, institutions are positioning, and stablecoin issuers could soon become the largest holders of US debt in the world. This changes everything. Hey everyone, it's Lamia. Today's video is one of the most important I've made, because if you understand stablecoins, you will understand where money is going next. In this video, we'll break down what stablecoins really are, the three major types and how they work, what's inside the Genius Act, and why it's historic, the rise of new stablecoin from Circle to PayPal to Asia, and why this moment is being compared to Bretton Woods 2.0. So make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get into it. Let me start by explaining what stablecoins are. A stablecoin is a cryptocurrency pegged to a stable asset like the US dollar. In theory, one stablecoin equals $1. There are three types: fiat-backed like USDC and Tether, and crypto-backed like DAI, and algorithmic like USDT, which collapsed in 2022. Stablecoins remove volatility. They're used for payments, trading, DeFi, and increasingly global finance. They let you transfer value globally instantly, park cash in digital form without touching fiat, access DeFi, lending, yield farming, and on-chain finance, avoid inflation and failed banking system. Even banks are preparing to use stablecoins in place of old payments rails. And now governments are paying attention. You've probably seen headlines: Genius Act passes in Senate hearing, stablecoins rule coming to the US. But what is Genius Act? It stands for Guaranteeing and Ensuring Non-Stop Innovation in the US. Here's what it does. Requires all stablecoins to be backed by 100% cash or short-term treasuries. Demands monthly audit and full transparency. Enforces AMLs and consumers protection rules. Only allows licensed US regulated entities to issue stablecoins. It hasn't become law yet, but the US Senate just voted to move it forward for full debates and amendments. It's real and it's happening. Let's zoom out. In 1944, after the World War II, world leaders met in Bretton Woods to decide the future of global money. They chose the US dollar backed by gold to lead. Now in 2025, a new financial structure is forming. US Senator Haggerty revealed that by 2030, stablecoin issuers will likely become the largest holders of US treasuries, even more than China. This is no longer about crypto. This is about US dollar dominance, digital payment infrastructure, and how money and power are shifting. Here's what the institutions are doing. Circle is expanding USDC across multiple chains. PayPal launched PYUSD and is targeting global payments. Bank of America has already said they will launch a stablecoin as soon as regulation is ready. And Asia, Singapore just announced a new stablecoin launching on the XRP ledger. Everyone's preparing quietly. It's all about understanding where value will move and who is in control of that movement. Stablecoins are becoming the plumbing of the next financial system. So if you're interested in crypto, building a business, or just trying to make sense of the future, learn how stablecoins work, stay informed about the Genius Act, and position yourself ahead of the curve. If this gave you a clarity or opened your eyes, hit that like button and subscribe. Also, drop a comment below. Is this Bretton Woods 2.0? Do you trust stablecoins like USDC and Tether, or do you think central banks are getting ready to take control? I'm Lamia, and I'll see you in the next one.